Cells are the basic unit of life. Cells can be broken up into two different categories, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. A quick trick I use to remember the difference is pro rhymes with no, therefore prokaryotes do not have a nucleus. Eu rhymes with do, therefore they do have a nucleus. The first one we're going to talk about are prokaryotes. Examples of prokaryotes are bacteria and archaeobacteria. They both share the organelles of flagellum, which is used for movement, a nucleoid, which is jumbled up DNA, a cell wall, which is used for structure and protection. The main difference between bacteria and archaeobacteria is that the cell wall in bacteria has peptidoglycan. Now we're going to talk about eukaryotes. Remember, eu rhymes with do, therefore eukaryotes do have a nucleus. And they also have membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotes are usually more complex organisms. Examples of eukaryotes are animals, plants, fungi, and protists. Some organelles found in eukaryotic cells are the nucleus, which is the command center of the cell. It's the brain of the cell and controls the rest of the cell. The cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance that holds everything in its place. The cell membrane, which acts as the gate guard of the cell. It decides what comes into and leaves the cell. It is made up of lipids. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and it breaks down ATP for energy. Ribosomes, they use amino acids to make protein, so they're like a protein-making factory. The Golgi apparatus, or Golgi body, is like UPS. It packages and stores chemicals to be shipped out to the rest of the cell. Then you have the ER. The ER can either be smooth or rough, and if it's a rough ER, then it has ribosomes on the outside of it. The ER acts as the highway for the cell, so it transports materials around the cell. Then plants and fungi also have a cell wall. In plants, their cell wall is made up of cellulose, which is a carbohydrate, and in fungi, their cell wall is made up of chitin, which is also a carbohydrate. The reason plants and fungi have a cell wall is for structure and protection, and usually these organisms are stationary organisms. That's our quick overview over the different types of cells and their organelles. I hope that helped.